Hi, welcome to LeetCode. So in this video I am going to discuss LeetCode problem 1918. So find unique binary string. So given an array of strings nums containing n unique binary strings, each of length n. So we have to return a binary string of length n that does not appear in nums. If there are multiple answers, you may return any one of them. So this is actually a binary string. So only 0 or 1 can present. Like then we have to find a string that actually not present in this nums array. So the one condition is that how many number actually will be given. Two number, one is 0 1, another is 1 0. So here two number is given. Okay, now they mention that the string length is also n. So the string length will be also like 1 1 or 0 0, right? So string length here actually also 2. Got it? How many numbers it will present? That actually indicate the length of the string we have to generate, and each length is actually equal. Here actually also length is 2, here also length is 2. So now you can observe this example 3 actually. How many actually number actually you have I have given number actually is 3, 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 and 0 0 1. So here actually n is equal to 3. Three numbers are present in this nums array. So the string that I have to generate, that is also length will be also 3. Got it? The statement. Now what I have to do? So first of all, I know that what is the string length I have to generate. So suppose length here actually it is 3 for this example 3. So I have to generate a string of length 3. So first of all, try to generate all possible number that is possible of length 3. So first of all 0 0, all are 0, then 0 0 1, then this will be 1, and this 0 1 0, then 0 1 1, then 1 0 0, 1 0 1, then 1 1 0, 1 1 1, right? So how many actually possible number actually possible? So each position actually I have two options, 0 or 1. For each position, how many actually position actually I have 3. So 2 into 2 into 2. So total 8 combination are possible. Now you can see that how many combination. Here actually 4 and here actually 4, right? You got this like mathematical expression, like why actually I am multiplying with 2, because each position actually, this is binary string, so there are two character possible, 0 or 1. So each position actually there are two options, so the combination will be 2 into 2 into 2, the length of the string, right? So this is actually n 8. Okay, now I will store all this input string that is present in nums array. Suppose here actually it is 1 1 1 and 0 1 1 and 0 0 1. Okay, so first of all, suppose I have generated this string, suppose of length 3. Now check that this string actually is present in the nums array or not. So how actually efficiently I can search this? We can actually use set or map, right? So I will search that this string actually present or not. I will check that okay, this is not present in this nums array, also set that actually I have stored. So this is one possible answer. I return from here. Suppose this is also present in the nums array. So this will be not a answer. So I will go to the next possible string of length 3. So this is the next possible. So I will check that this actually number present or not. 0 0 1. This is present. So this is not a possible answer. So I will go to the next string that is possible. So 0 1 0, it is not present in this set or the nums array. I will return this. This is one possible answer. So we have to return any one of this, right? So suppose first I will, what will be the recursive approach? Like first I will find the length of the string, length of the string. Then I will recursively try to generate string of length n. Suppose this actually length is n, actually I got value as n. So I have to generate all possible string of length n. Recursively I can generate, right? So first of all I will start with 0, or then actually I will recursively call next, I will add 1, then again 0, in this way. So after this, and also here actually 0, first step will be, initial step will be store all elements in set to efficiently search that this whatever string actually I have generated of currently is of length n, that will be present in the nums array or not. So next I will search that whatever actually string I have generated here in the step 2, I will search that search that this string actually present or not in this set. So if it is present, then actually I have to continue the next string I have generated. If it is not present in the set, then I have, this is one possible answer, I will return from here. I don't need to generate the next possible string of length n. Got it? So here actually to generate of length a string of length n, so the time will be big of 2 to the power n. I have to generate all possible string of length n. So here actually 2 to the power n number of string are possible, so it will take 2 to the power n time. So for each, after that, for each I have to compare, I have to search this in set. So this will be big of n. So ultimately this is actually 2 to the power n into n, if we actually count the searching operation. Okay. So roughly it will take 2 to the power n. So here actually n is equal to 16, length can be 16. So this is 2 to the power 16. Okay. So this will give the TLE. Now how can we optimize this? How? Now we have to actually, they mention that all string that are present in the nums array, that are all actually unique, right? So this is actually approach 2. So first of all, they mention that the number of string will be also 2. So this is first example, for example 1. So this is actually 0 1, another is 1 0. Alright. Now I have to generate the unique or that is string that is not present in this, that is not equal to this 2 number. Now what is I can do? First of all, try to take this number from here and next digit or next position from here, from this next number. Then actually it will be unique. How? So suppose I have taken this, first number from this first array. So this will be, I have taken as the inverse of this value 1. Next I have taken this from here, this inverse is 1. So you can see that this is 1 1. Okay. So you can see that this number is not present in this array. Why it will be actually not present? How actually I am answering here that this will be actually unique, not present in this nums array? Because first of all I am actually inversing the number value. Here actually the value is 0. I am actually taking 1. So first of all, this digit is not equal to this, right? So I have ensured this digit is not so this number is not equal to this. That I have ensured by taking the inverse value. Now next also I have taken the, so this actually I have actually already that this number is not equal to this because I have already toggled the value. Next I have to ensure this also, this index value also different from this. How can I ensure that? I will actually this may be same. You can see that this value may be same 1 1. But whatever the actually position the value is present in this index, that actually I am taking the inverse value again. So the here actually I am taking 1. So I am ensuring that this value is not equal to this value, this string. Whatever 1 0, I am not ensuring this value is the string which I am generating 1 1, that is not equal to the 1 0. How I am ensuring? It may be possible that this value is same 1 1, both are 1 1. But this value I am actually inversing the value. So this is ensure this value is not equal to. Suppose there are one more. Suppose the example 3. This is 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 0 0 1, 1 0 1. Suppose I am taking any random example. So now I am ensuring this. I have to ensure that string actually I am going to generate, that will be actually different from this, right? Not equal to this string. So how can I ensure that? Whatever actually this value actually present in this here in the current index 0, I will inverse that value. So this will be 0. Alright. So now I am ensuring that this string will be always different, not equal to this, because it is starting with 1 and it is starting with 0. Okay. Now it is possible this is equal to this. Maybe possible. Maybe this string may be possible with this. Now I am going to ensure that this string is actually going to different from this. I am going to the next value, here it is 0. I am actually inversing that. So this will be 0. Now I am going to inverse this with 1. Alright, now you can check that this actually different, not equal. 0 0, it is starting with 0 0, but it's starting with 0 1 now. Got it? Next, it is possible that another string is possible 0 1 0. So suppose this is not present, 0 1 0. So this string also starting with 0 1 and this is also starting with 0 1. But how can actually ensure that this is actually different from that string? So from the next index, I will actually inverse that value. Here actually index value is here actually value is 0. I will take the inverse value as 1. Got it? Now you can see that both are starting with 0 1, but ultimate value is here actually 0 1 0 and here actually value is 0 1 1. Got it? How actually going to ensure that the number I am going to generate is actually unique, not present in this string, and because and what is the reason it is getting actually ensure that it is unique? First of all, I am actually going to taking the inverse value for each index, and here actually the number of present also is n. Now you can see that here actually 3 numbers actually present, and the length is also 3. I have to generate a string of length n also, right? Here actually n is equal to 3, and I have to generate the string of length is also 3, right? So that's why each index I am going to actually take the inverse value. Ultimately this will be unique. Got it? So here actually the whole time study times to big of n number of string or length of the string that I have to generate. I have to just use the diagonal position. Like you can actually, if you place this string as a matrix, so suppose 1 1 1, suppose 1 1 1, then 0 0 1, then suppose 0 1 0. Okay. Now how can we access this? This is suppose the matrix. So this will be this, and this is the matrix. Okay. Now I have to access this. First I will access this. This will be accessed by 0 0. Now I have to access this character. This will be accessed by 1 1. Next I have to access this character. This will be actually position will be 2 2. So I have to access only I I. Got it? So that's why I actually run only one for loop to access I0 0 to n minus 1. Got it? So if this is clear, then please like the video. And now go to the code. So this is the optimal approach. So I have to return a string answer. Initially it is empty, and I have to traverse each position, like, right? So it will start from I0 0, I less than nums of size less than I plus plus, and for each position like I comma I, if it is 0 then I am taking 1, if it is 1 then I am taking 0. This is a ternary operator. If it is true, this condition is true, then this will be actually added. If it is false, then it will come to this value, this block, then it will be added 0, right? So right, you got the logic here. If it is 0, then I am taking actually adding 1. If it is already 1, then actually taking 0, the inverse value, and ultimately return the answer. Got it? So I have shared this code in the description. You should take the help if you need any. And if any suggestion, any comment, you should comment on that. Thank you.